Okay, so today we are starting with chapter number 5, animating a presentation. Everybody know how to create a presentation. This you have already learned in class 4th. Presentation is a form of communication using which you can convey your ideas, your work. Even in this presentation, you can include your voice, you can add a video, you can add image, you can add text, everything you can add, and then you can present in it in a large group of people. So it's a beautiful way to present something in front of large group of people. So importance of presentation is it will definitely it helps us to improve our communication skills. Many people feel terrified if you have to speak in front of large group of people, let's say 100 people. You maybe have some fears in your mind that how I am going to present, will I be able to speak in front of these many people or not. So because we all have a lack of confidence, we all cannot speak in front of large group. So sometimes we feel terrified also. So this problem can be resolved if you will record your voice in each and every slide of your PPT, and at that time you don't have to speak anything, you just have to play your presentation. This will definitely give you the confidence, and this will definitely boost up your presentation skills, the way you are presenting something in front of the large group of people. Presentation helps in communication uh, complex information in a simple and interesting way. Whatever you have to explain, if you are presenting it with the help of presentation, it makes the topic simpler. Instead of means the complexity of the topic will get reduced. You gain real world skills such as ability to present your achievements. If you have to present, like if you have to go for the interview right now, the current scenario is uh, we used to take our resume, which is of 2 pages only, or and then we used to present it in front of someone. But now the time is changing. The in the Western culture, now they are preparing a video and they are preparing a presentation. Those who wants to go for the interview or a job, they have to prepare a video or something like presentation in which they will be explaining everything about themselves. So this is a better way to present your achievements throughout. Whatever you have achieved in your life, you are presenting it in a form of video to someone. So it definitely impact the person who is taking your interview. What is PowerPoint presentation? This everybody is already aware of. It's a software provided by Microsoft using which you can create presentations. Advantages of presentation is we can matlab, the advantages are same like the presentation, importance of presentation. So it gives you the quality of graphics, you can add images, you can add videos, you can add your voice, and it give a active learning environment. ग्रेटर क्लैरिटी ऑफ सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है आपके पास, जो भी आपने टॉपिक पे प्रेजेंटेशन बनाती है उसकी क्लैरिटी जो है आप जब बनाओगे तो वो ऑब्वियसली उसकी क्लैरिटी इंक्रीज होगी, आपको टॉपिक ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आएगा, और जो आप जिस ऑडियंस को बता रहे हो उनको भी ज्यादा अच्छे से क्लियर होगा। encouraging, इससे क्या होता है, interaction भी increase होती है between teacher and student, because using presentation you are, if you are presenting, maybe somebody can ask a question from your presentation, and that will definitely increase the interaction between teachers and student. Presentation can be delivered on computer screen or big screen using projector. That is your choice how you are going to present. Now everybody is already aware of how to start PowerPoint presentation. These shortcut keys you have to learn because it will be easier for you to use the presentation in that case, if you are able to learn all these shortcut keys. Next is now planning a presentation. Now, if you have to create a presentation on any of the topic, you have to follow three main steps. First is plan. Plan means you have to decide ki on what topic you are going to start the presentation. What are the subtopics of that topic? Like as I told you, that I need a PDF for the presentation of the next chapter so that I can plan accordingly. So that means planning how many topics you are going to take in your presentation and what will be the subtopics for your presentation. So that is planning. Execution means now you are presenting the converting everything, the topics one by one you are taking and then converting it into the slides in different slides. And impress means like at the end if you are adding some visual effects or some other effects. So all this is called as impress. Now, here they are going to create a presentation on exercise is good for our body, but we are not going to create a presentation on this. Let's start now. I am opening PowerPoint presentation. You have to go to start button, all programs, then Microsoft Office, and then Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, first topic according to your book is adding, applying a design theme. How can we choose a design, inbuilt design for your presentation? PowerPoint also provide you a way to add some inbuilt designs or templates which you can easily use. अब आपको पहले सोचना नहीं है कि मेरा background color क्या होगा and how I will be presenting my text. What you can do is you can go to the design tab and here are different designs available. These are the different designs available for your presentation. You can choose any of the design which you like. For example, you can choose this one. And even if you wanted to change the color in this, like let's say because we are going to create a presentation on work energy and force, जो भी आपका topic है. So if you wanted to change the color combinations according to it, you can change the colors also from the color panel. So let's say I want this one. So I can just simply click on the colors which I like. Okay, I will go with this. Right, let's say I right now I'm creating a simple I'm taking a simple topic, what is going on right now currently in your science class, that is simple machines. Here you can write presented by, you can write your name, class, section, whatever you wanted to write, so you can write it here. Now I'm taking a next slide. To add a new slide, I can either right click on the slide, first slide, and then take a new slide. Or what you can do is you can go to insert tab, sorry, home tab. In the home tab there is a button of new slide, you can click on this, or the shortcut key is control plus M. Now let's take a new slide. Now I wanted to display some of the simple machines, let's say. ठीक है, so simple machines की picture insert करनी है मुझे. Okay, so this already we have done how to apply the themes. So these are the themes. Inserting text in a placeholder, then moving and resizing the placeholder, and then apply text effects. Okay, let's see this first. So let's say मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा. Okay, first we will move in the slide. So this is my placeholder where you are writing your text. This is called as placeholder. If you wanted to move this placeholder somewhere else, like I wanted to shift it here so that there should be a gap between my first and the second, or maybe if I wanted to move it here, then I can just simply move it by placing my cursor on this dotted line, and then I can move my placeholder. This is called as placeholder. Like right. Next is now after moving, next is applying text effects. Now how can I give the text effects? You can simply choose your text for which you wanted to give some effects. Then this is the option format. Go to format tab. These are the different types of effects which you can give. So it is totally up to you which effect you wanted to give. I think this one is a better option. This one is also fine. Because अगर हम orange के ऊपर orange color से ही लिखेंगे तो it will not be visible. Blue is also not looking very good. White is fine. And we can also use yellow shade. So I am choosing this one. So like this, you can give effects to your text also. And if even if you wanted to change the colors, you can, after choosing the effect, you can change the colors also. Let's say this one, I wanted to change the color also. आप उसको येलो करना चाहते हो, आप उसको ग्रीन, ब्लू, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू. Otherwise it is looking white much better. Right. Next is after text effects. Next is changing the background. अभी तो right now what we did is हमने जो थीम सेलेक्ट करी थी उसके अकॉर्डिंग बैकग्राउंड आ रहा था. बट नाउ लेट्स से आई वांटेड टू चेंज द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दिस स्लाइड एंड आई डोंट वांटेड टू चूज दिस वन. सो आई कैन राइट क्लिक on the slide, go to the format background option. Now if you wanted to just simply change the color, you can go to solid fill and choose a color which you wanted to insert. Let's say olive green. And you can give gradient also. Gradient means two shades you wanted to give. So first shade I want as this one, and second shade I want a darker one, or this blue, or whatever the color combination you want. So let's say orange ka shade le lete hain. So like this. And even if you wanted to apply this on all the slides, you can click on this button. Otherwise, if you wanted to apply it on a single slide, you can click on close button. So like this, you can choose a background for your slide. Even if you are going to insert a picture in the background, then you can go to picture and texture fill and then choose a picture. Right? You can make a pattern also, and you can choose a color for the patterns also from here. Right, so I am just using gradient fill with blue. Is also blue is I think the perfect one for this one. Right, so I wanted to choose this background. Next is after changing the background, next is inserting a picture. How can we insert a picture? Now let's say on this slide I wanted to insert a picture of a simple machine. Let's search for a simple machine. Now this is important, how you are going to search the machine, like which type of image you are going to insert. There are total three different types of images. One is simple machine. I'm writing here. Here, So here I'm writing simple machine and let's search for the image. Go to images. Let's say I wanted to add this picture because this picture consists of many simple machines in a single picture. So I can just simply right click on this, copy this image and paste it in your presentation. This type of image is called as JPG image. Why it is called as JPG images? JPG images are those images which are having white or any color background, जिनके पीछे बैक में बैकग्राउंड होता है. देखो यहाँ पे व्हाइट कलर का बैकग्राउंड आ रहा है, तो दिस इज अ जेपीजी इमेज विच डजंट लुक. अभी नॉर्मली आप लोग ऐसी ही इमेजेस ही इंसर्ट करते हो अपनी पीपीटी में, बट दिस डजंट लुक वेरी नाइस. So I am not going to insert this type of image. Which type of image I am going to insert is, let's check. Next type of image is PNG image. Now I am just writing simple machines PNG. PNG images are those images which don't have any background at the back. तो वो क्या होती है, वो transparent image होती है which definitely look better in your presentation. Let's check this one. How do I know if the image is having a background at the back or not? So if you will open an image and the checkboxes will appear in the background, then it's a PNG image. Otherwise, it is not. Let's open this one. See, earlier before opening, checkboxes was not coming. The image was looking like this. Now, but if I'll click on this image, the checkboxes are coming at the back. It means it is a PNG image. Now you can copy this image and paste it in your presentation. Sometimes you are not able to paste it like this. So in that case, you have to download. So right click and save image. Click on save image. Now choose the location where you wanted to save your file. Now how to insert it. The file which we have already have in our computer. You can simply click on this icon and it will tell you to find out the location where you have saved your picture. This is one option. Second option is you can go to the insert tab and there is a option of picture. Click on this icon. Again, the same window will open. Now choose a location from where you wanted to insert the picture. This type of image will look more beautiful in your presentation because it is not having any background with it, right? So next type of image is GIF image. GIF image is a type of image which is also having animation in it. So आपको it will be easier for you to explain these types of machines if the image will be having animation in it. For example, let's check this one. Is there any animation? And is there any animation or not, that you will get to know after opening the image only. Yes, there is an animation in this type of image, and even the text is also coming beautifully. So you can use this one, or let's check this one. This image is also having animation in it. ठीक है, अभी एक ऐसी इमेज सर्च करते हैं जिसके पीछे बैकग्राउंड भी नहीं होगा और वो इमेज में एनिमेशन भी हो. लेट्स चेक दिस वन. इसमें तो बैकग्राउंड है वाइट कलर का, सो हम यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं ट्रांसपेरेंट बैकग्राउंड. नाउ लेट्स चेक दिस वन. इसमें भी वाइट कलर का बैकग्राउंड है. I will never choose this type of image because it is already having check boxes at the back. So this cannot be a PNG image. Let's check this one. इसमें भी background है. Okay, this image is not having background, but it is also not having the animation. Right, this is a correct image. Now in this image, we are not having the background also, and we are also having the animation. So let's copy this image and paste it. It is little difficult to find out these types of images, but if you are successfully able to find these types of images, it will definitely improve the way your presentation will appear. Now let's preview. So once you will play your presentation, the animation effect you will able to see. Clear? We can insert these three different types of images in our presentation. Either a simple images which you were inserting till now, they are called as JPG image, and the image with no background with it is called PNG image, and the image with animation in it is called GIF image. So first you will find out, try to find out the GIF images. If you are not able to find, then you will go for PNG, and if even if you are not able to find the PNG one, then you can go for JPG, so that you can improve your presentation. Right, so this is how you can insert the pictures. Next is how to apply the transitions. So how to apply the transition means how the text will come and go from your uh, slide. For example, here I'm writing simple machines, and I'm showing these two machines. You can also write the names of these two machines, right? And then I want the transition. Transition means ट्रांजिशन एंड एनिमेशन में एक छोटा सा डिफरेंस होता है. ट्रांजिशन का मतलब होता है कि फर्स्ट स्लाइड के बाद आपकी सेकंड स्लाइड जब अपीयर होगी तो वो कैसे अपीयर होगी, व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट विद विच योर सेकंड स्लाइड विल मतलब सेकंड स्लाइड विल कम. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांजिशन. एंड एनिमेशन का मतलब होता है जब आपकी स्लाइड ओपन हो जाएगी, ओपन होने के बाद once it will get open, how this content will come into the slide, that is called as animation. तो स्लाइड से जब स्लाइड चेंज होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांजिशन, एंड स्लाइड में जब कंटेंट आता है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एनिमेशन. नाउ if I'll go to second slide and I'll choose a transition, so these are the different types of effects which I can use. So let's add this one. तो जब आपकी फर्स्ट स्लाइड है, फर्स्ट स्लाइड से जब आप स्लाइड शो करोगे, योर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड विल कम इन दिस वे because this is the effect which I have chosen. ठीक है, and now till now there is no animation in it. If you wanted to give the animation, then you have to go to the different tab, that is animation tab. Now choose कि आपको एनिमेशन किसको देनी है. I wanted to first give the animation to my text. तो टेक्स्ट में आई गो टू क्लिक ऑन एनिमेशन पेन. एनिमेशन पेन में क्या होता है, आपको पता चलता रहता है कि किस किस चीज को आप कैसी कैसी एनिमेशन दे रहे हो एंड व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर. तो फर्स्ट सबसे पहले हम इसको दे रहे हैं एड एनिमेशन. ये कैसे आएगा, ये ऐसे आएगा, ये ऐसे आएगा. चलो हमने ये सेलेक्ट कर दिया. इट शुड कम लाइक दिस. ठीक है. अब इसको दे देते हैं select your object and then decide how it will come. So let's say ये ऐसे आएगा and then now I am going to give animation to this one. Okay, so I have given animation to all the three objects which I have placed in my slide. Now, if let's say I wanted to do some changes, मैं चाहती हूँ कि पहले ये वाली image आए, उसके बाद ये वाली image आए. Then simply I can drag and drop. आप उस वाली पिक्चर को क्लिक करके ऊपर ले जाओगे और इसको एनिमेशन पेन में नीचे ले आओगे. सिंपली ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करना है, नथिंग एल्स यू हैव टू डू. ठीक है. एंड देन लेट्स प्ले दिस स्लाइड. Enter simple machines. Now first animation will be for the first image and second animation will be for the second image. So like this.